Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ConnectCore 8X SBC Pro device as a network bridge between two networks. If you have only LAN connection and if you want to connect wireless devices to the network and access internet, in this case by configuring ConnectCore 8X device as an access point in bridge mode, we can connect wireless devices to the access point then access internet. Let's consider the following scenario. Here we have LAN connection and we have wireless devices. Here there is no access point. In this case we can use ConnectCore 8X device as a bridge. We are going to configure ConnectCore 8X device as a bridge in SoftAP mode so that Wi-Fi devices can connect to the LAN and gain access to the internet. By default, network bridging support options are enabled on Digi Embedded Yocto kernel configuration. So you can use default images available at Digi website. We just need to configure Network Manager. Before configuring Network Manager on the device, set up the hardware and update firmware onto the module as mentioned at the help documents. Make sure that connect LAN cable to the ETH1 port. Here you can find the ETH1 port. So we should connect LAN cable to this port. Once the device boots successfully, we need to configure Network Manager. In this bridge mode, we are going to use ETH0 and WLAN1 network interfaces. For the bridge to work, we must prevent the Network Manager daemon from managing the network interfaces involved in this bridge. So add these two interfaces to the list of unmanaged devices in Network Manager configuration file. Open Network Manager configuration file. In this file I have already added WLAN1 and ETH0. Save and close the file. Restart the Network Manager daemon to use the new configuration. Restart Network Manager service. Service. Now make sure that connect LAN cable at ETH1 interface on ConnectCore 8X SBC. In the device configuration, software interfaces, it shows ETH0 interface. No worry about this. Bring up ETH0 interface. If config ETH0 up. Now bring down WLAN1 interface to reconfigure it. If down WLAN1. We need to configure WLAN1 as a SoftAP. So edit the interfaces file under etc network. vi/etc network interfaces. By default, WLAN1 is set to static. Here we need to add auto WLAN1 and iFace WLAN1 iNet manual. This configuration sets the Wi-Fi interface as manual so that it does not get an IP when it is brought up. Now save and close the file. Now we are going to configure the connection settings of WLAN1 interface. These settings are in hostapd WLAN1 configuration file. Open hostapd WLAN1 configuration file. These are the default settings. Here we can change SSID and password. By default it is WPA PSK authentication. Save and close the file. Now bring the WLAN1 interface up with the new SoftAP configuration, that is EFOP WLAN1. Now we are going to create the bridge interface BR0 using brctl command. brctl addbr br0. I had already created bridge interface BR0, so that's the reason it is showing file exists. Remove the IP addresses of the two network interfaces so that the bridge will join. In this case, ETH0 and WLAN1. If config ETH0 0.0.0 and if config WLAN1 0.0 0.0. Add each network interface to the BR0 bridge. brctl add if BR0 ETH0. brctl add if BR0 WLAN1. Now verify the bridge. It should show two interfaces added to the bridge BR0. brctl show. Yeah, here two interfaces are added. ETH0 and WLAN1 interfaces under this bridge BR0. In case if the interfaces are not correctly listed as associated to the bridge, delete the bridge and recreate it. To remove the bridge and restart the procedure, we can use two commands. If config space BR0 space DOWN, press enter. Then brctl space DELBR space BR0, then press enter. Bring the bridge up using ifconfig command. Ifconfig BR0 up. Create the bridge interface automatically at boot time. So to automatically create the bridge interface at startup, we need to edit the file interfaces under etc network. vi/etc network interfaces. Here we can see auto BR0, iFace BR0 iNet static, bridge ports ETH0 WLAN1. So we need to add this code in this file so that it will bring a bridge interface at startup. Save and close the file. Now configuration is completed. Let's see, are we able to connect to the SSID and get the internet? I'm trying to connect my laptop to the SSID. Here B86, this is my SSID. Yeah, this is connected. Now try to open Google. Yes, it is connected to the internet and we are able to open google.com and digi.com. This is the procedure how to use ConnectCore 8X SBC Pro as a network bridge between two networks. Thank you for watching.